need a doctor visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch. Yeah, I'm a pop.
What is up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title down below, I'm gonna be attempting to tint my eyebrows for the first time ever. So before I get started with this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So as you can see, I have pretty sparse eyebrows. Like, I cleaned them up a bit because they were really wild at first, but even when they are wild and all over the place, they're really sparse and really light. So I decided to go ahead and order a eyebrow tint kit. On Amazon it said that it was an eyebrow tint kit, but then when I read it, it says that it is a spot coloring kit for you know, like facial hair and beard hair and stuff, which, I mean, technically eyebrows is facial hair technically, but I thought it was an actual eyebrow specific kit. It's supposed to work the exact same way, so let's hope that it works the exact same way. So in the box it comes with a developer. It also comes with the instructions for using the eyebrow tint. It comes with 20 of these little capsules, and I did get this eyebrow tint in the color dark brown. I didn't, oh wait, no, I got it in medium brown. I considered getting it in dark brown, but then I was like, I don't want them to be too dark and then they look fake and they look crazy, and I have to keep this on my eyebrows for the next week or 2 weeks or however long it's gonna last. Got this in medium brown. But yeah, it comes with 20 of these little cap. So it also came with this little mixing bowl type thingy. And last but not least, the most important thing I think is in here is the angle brush that I'll be using to apply this to my eyebrows. And read the instructions and mix the eyebrow tint together, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't end up looking like a clown at the end of this, and hopefully it works. I'd rather it not work than it to work too well and then I have two big Sharpie eyebrows sitting on my face. Prior to using this kit, read all instructions carefully. Okay, so at first it says I have to wash my eyebrows with warm water and soap. I actually just cleaned my face. I just washed my face, so I'm gonna skip that part. And it says pat them dry. My face is already dry, so I'm gonna skip that part too. Let's see. Prepare a small test solution. I'm not gonna test it, I'm just going full out. Sorry. Mix with equal parts cream developer, which is 1/4 tablespoon. I'm not gonna measure that out correctly. I'm just gonna pour it. I have the medium brown one, so I'm just gonna leave it on for 2 minutes. 2 minutes doesn't seem like long enough. I mean, I'm gonna follow the directions, but it just like, I don't think it's long enough. Alright, so boom, I'm about to mix this stuff up and let's see what happens. So I want to show you guys what my eyebrows look like before I even go ahead and put any of the tint on it. Just showing you guys how light they are and how sparse they look, even though they are cleaned up more than what they would be if they weren't. That's just going crazy. That's just going stupid. Alright, y'all, so I put it in this little thingy that it came with. And so it's supposed to be a creamy consistency, and it says about 1/4. So I think that should be good. I think that should be enough. Also, I'm taking the little applicator brush that it came with, and I'm about to attempt to tint my eyebrows. Actually, I'm gonna start at the ends first so they can be darker. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like right now. Honestly, by the way it feels, I feel like it's not gonna work, but hopefully it does, so I can have some nice brows so I can just wake up out of the bed and just go on about my business with. So on the instructions it says to let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the full 2 just so I can see if I can get the full results from it. So I'll be back when I'm wiping this off. It said leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes, but it says that you can leave it on longer for darker results. So I ended up leaving it on for 4 minutes. This one I put on before this one, so I'm gonna wipe this one off first. I'm really nervous because maybe I shouldn't have left it on for extra 2 minutes, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna go all out because I want to see what it's really talking about. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Is that all? I gotta make sure it's all off. Let me see. Okay. That actually looks really good. Like, I'm looking at it in my viewfinder. Hold on. Let me see the real proof. That actually looks really good. I should have made the end sharper. Dang. I might redo it and make my end sharper. But the middle of my brow is way darker. But I think I just naturally have more hair right there, so I think it just looks darker. I'm gonna try to. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me hurry up and wipe this one off before I don't have an eyebrow on this side. Okay, this one didn't get left on for as long, but it's still decent. The middle is so dark. I think it's because I have the most hair in the middle. This one, hold on. You see how I have like this residue right here where I left it on at. So it actually worked. They look really good. This one I messed up on, but this is my bad eyebrow anyway. So anytime I do my eyebrows and I like draw them on, this is always the one that looks wonky. But no, this looks really good. Like, I could go out the house just like wash my face straight out the bed. Like, is this what it's like to have eyebrows? Is this how y'all normal people with eyebrows just walk around? Like, you just wake up and you just have eyebrows? This one is my favorite one. This one looks good. Yeah, this other one I kind of messed up, but I might go over it again and try to fix it some type of way. Or when the hair grows out, go over it again. I kind of want to get to this part right here and make it a bit darker, but other than that, it looks great. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and experiencing my first eyebrow tint with me. If you like this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off.